children. So we are going to revise the topic Earth in the universe and galaxy. So let's get started.
Earth in the universe. Our universe is very vast, very huge, very big, children. And it is not possible even to imagine the vastness of the space. The universe is the whole body of stars, planets, gases or dust. Means we can see the stars, the planets, the gases, dust in the universe. And there are millions of stars in the sky. These millions of stars means a family of millions of stars in the sky. That is called the galaxy. And our Earth is also a member of one such galaxy. And the name of that galaxy is the Milky Way, or we can say Akash Ganga. So what is galaxy? Galaxy is a family of millions of stars in the sky. And our Earth is the member of in which galaxy? That is the Milky Way. In this vast universe of millions of stars, our Earth is like a tiny dot. Can you imagine this, children? Our Earth is like a tiny dot in this vast universe where we can see the millions of stars. Our Earth is like a very small dot. Looks like very small dot. Some of these stars are so big, so far away from us, and that light from them takes thousands of years to reach us. So, in the universe, our Earth is like a tiny dot, very small dot, and the family of millions of stars is called a galaxy. And name of that galaxy is the Milky Way. Our Earth is also a member of this Milky Way or Akash Ganga. So this is the Earth in the universe. Now the next topic which we are going to revise is the distinguish between planet and satellite. So first we'll start with the planet or the difference between planet and satellite. So first is the planet. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Largest planet is the Jupiter, smallest is the Mercury. All these things, children, we have already discussed in the previous topics. We have already revised this in the previous topics, but again, we are just revising the main points of every topic. So the planets, 8 are in the solar system. 8 planets are there in the solar system. Largest planet is the Jupiter and smallest is the Mercury. The planets move around the sun on fixed paths. The paths on which they move are called orbits. Each planet has its own fixed orbit. Planets have no heat and light of their own. They reflect the light of the sun. Means they don't have their own heat and light. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These 4 planets are the inner planets. And these are very close to the sun. Then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The next 4 planets are the outer planets. These are huge planets made up of gases. Which one? The Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are huge also and made up of gases also. Nearest planet is the Mercury and the farthest is the Neptune. So this is all about the planet. Next is the satellite. Satellites are celestial bodies which revolve around the planets, and they are the smaller friend of planets. They move in the same way as the planets move around the sun. Satellites do not have their own heat and light. They also reflect the light of the sun, like the planets. Satellites revolve around the planets in fixed orbits, and our Earth has one satellite which we call Moon. So this is all about the satellite also. So if we'll talk about the difference between the satellites and the planets, then the first point is, if we'll talk about the planets, planets are the heavenly body which revolves around the sun. And the satellites are the heavenly body which revolves around the planet. Next point, planets are 8 in numbers. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. And the satellites are many in number in the solar system. So this is all about the difference between, the distinguish between the planet and the satellite. Now the next topic is the galaxy and the solar system. So first we'll revise the topic galaxy. We see millions of stars in the night sky, and these family of millions of stars are called galaxy. So what is galaxy? Galaxy is the millions of stars, family of millions of stars in the sky. Our Earth is also a member of one such galaxy, and that is the Milky Way, or we can say Akash Ganga. Why this galaxy is called Milky Way? Because it is like a white band. That's why it's called a Milky Way. So what is galaxy? A family of millions of stars in the sky. And our Earth is a member of which galaxy? That is the Milky Way. And why it's called Milky Way? Because it is like a white band. That's why it's called a Milky Way. Second is the solar system. The solar system means the family of the sun. The sun and the 8 planets, the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. All these 8 planets that revolve around the sun are members of the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Solar system consists of the sun, 8 planets, satellites like the moon, and asteroids, meteors, comets, etc. All are there in the solar system. The solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy or Akash Ganga galaxy. Children, we can say Milky Way also, the name, and the Akash Ganga also. Both are the names of this galaxy. So now, what is the difference between the galaxy and the solar system? So if we'll talk about the galaxy, a family of millions of stars in the sky, that is galaxy. And the solar system, the family of the sun is called the solar system. Solar system means the family of the sun. Second point is the example of Milky Way we can add in the galaxy. And in the solar system, we can add the examples of the planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, etc. We can add in the solar system. So these are the examples in the solar system. So that's all for today, children. So we have completed our revision of chapter 16 today. Take care. Thank you.